In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Rainmeter in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice and then type in Rainmeter. Then it's going to prompt you to rainmeter.net. Then go ahead and click this big download button. Then we're going to go ahead and install it. So you can just do the standard installation. Then we can install the 64-bit version since that's what we want. I'm not going to launch it on startup though, but then just go ahead and click install, and then we're just going to run Rainmeter as soon as. So now I can go ahead and close this. It says welcome to it and everything like that. So you're going to see a few different things. Now what I want to do is locate the widget. So I can go ahead and press this, and then I can locate the Rainmeter little thing right here. At this point, I'll be able to use it and do whatever I want with it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet. But anyways, thank you for watching.